Now, have you ever woken up with that scratchy, painful feeling in your throat? You know, that feeling that makes you dread every swallow? Did you know that something as simple as honey can be just as effective as some over-the-counter medications for soothing a sore throat? It's true. Honey has natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. A sore throat is one of the most common reasons people miss work or school. It's usually caused by a viral infection, like the common cold. In this video, you'll discover natural remedies that can help soothe your sore throat quickly and effectively. I'm going to share 6 of my favorite home remedies for a sore throat. These remedies are all natural, effective, and best of all, they're easy to do. So if you're ready to ditch the pain and get back to feeling your best, keep watching. Let's start with one of nature's best remedies, honey. Honey has been used for centuries to treat a variety of ailments, including sore throats. It has this amazing ability to coat and soothe the throat, providing relief from irritation and pain. Plus, honey is a natural humectant, which means it helps to draw moisture into the throat, keeping it hydrated and preventing further irritation. Think of it like this: when your throat is sore, it's inflamed. This inflammation causes those uncomfortable feelings of scratchiness and pain. Now, honey, with its anti-inflammatory properties, helps to calm down that inflammation, reducing the swelling and irritation. The best way to use honey for a sore throat is to add 1 to 2 teaspoons to a cup of warm water or tea. And here's a pro tip: look for raw, unprocessed honey, as it contains more of those beneficial antioxidants and enzymes that can help fight infection. But remember, honey is a natural sugar, so it's important to consume it in moderation. And of course, if you're allergic to honey or have any concerns, it's always best to check with your healthcare provider. This next remedy is a classic for a reason. Warm saltwater gargles. It's something you've probably heard from your grandma. And guess what? She was right. Gargling with warm salt water is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to soothe a sore throat. You see, when your throat is sore, it's often inflamed and swollen. Salt water works by drawing out excess fluid from the inflamed tissues in your throat, which helps to reduce swelling and pain. Think of it like this: the salt water creates a kind of reverse osmosis effect. It's also important to note that salt has natural antiseptic properties. What this means is that it can help to kill some of those pesky bacteria that might be contributing to your sore throat. To use this remedy, simply mix 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of salt in a cup of warm water. Stir it well until the salt dissolves. Then gargle with the solution for 30 to 60 seconds, making sure to reach the back of your throat. You can repeat this gargle every few hours for relief. And here's a little tip. If the taste is too strong, try adding a squeeze of lemon juice to the mix. It'll make it a bit more palatable. Let's talk about the soothing power of herbal teas. Certain herbal teas, like chamomile and peppermint, have been used for centuries to relieve sore throats. Chamomile tea is known for its calming and relaxing properties. It contains an antioxidant called bisabolol, which has anti-inflammatory effects, helping to soothe that scratchy feeling in your throat. Peppermint tea, on the other hand, is known for its cooling and menthol properties. Menthol acts as a natural decongestant, helping to open up those airways and making it easier to breathe. The warmth of the tea itself can also help to soothe the throat and provide comfort. To make an effective herbal tea for a sore throat, simply steep a tea bag of chamomile or peppermint tea in a cup of hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. You can add a bit of honey or lemon for additional flavor and soothing benefits. And here's a little bonus tip. If you're feeling congested, try adding a few drops of eucalyptus oil to your peppermint tea. Eucalyptus oil is a natural decongestant and can help to clear up those sinuses. Just remember to use it sparingly, as it can be quite potent. Now, let's talk about another simple yet effective remedy: lemon water. You know how they say, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade? Well, I say, when life gives you a sore throat, make lemon water. Lemon water is a fantastic way to soothe a sore throat for a couple of reasons. First, lemons are naturally acidic, and this acidity helps to break up mucus, which can often be a culprit behind that scratchy feeling. Second, lemons are packed with vitamin C, an antioxidant that can help boost your immune system. Think of it this way. Vitamin C is like the fuel for your body's defense system. When you're sick, your body needs all the help it can get to fight off the infection, and vitamin C plays a crucial role in that fight. To make lemon water, simply squeeze half a lemon into a cup of warm water. You can add a bit of honey if you prefer it sweeter. Sip on this throughout the day, especially first thing in the morning, to help clear out any overnight mucus buildup. Ginger, that spicy root we all know and love, is not just for adding a kick to our stir-fries. It's also a potent remedy for a sore throat. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and showgales, which have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds work by blocking the production of certain chemicals in the body that cause inflammation. Remember how we talked about inflammation being a major culprit behind that sore throat pain? Well, ginger helps to tackle that inflammation head-on, reducing swelling and pain. Not only that, but ginger also has antiviral and antibacterial properties, making it a double whammy against those nasty bugs that might be causing your sore throat. One of the best ways to consume ginger for a sore throat is to make a soothing ginger tea. Simply grate a small piece of fresh ginger root and simmer it in a cup of water for 10 to 15 minutes. You can add a squeeze of lemon juice and a teaspoon of honey for added flavor and benefits. Last but not least, let's talk about apple cider vinegar, or ACV as it's often called. Now, I know what you're thinking. Vinegar for a sore throat? Hear me out. Apple cider vinegar has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for a variety of ailments, including sore throats. It has antibacterial properties thanks to its acetic acid content, which can help to kill off those pesky bacteria that might be causing your throat to feel scratchy. Think of apple cider vinegar as a natural disinfectant for your throat. It helps to create an environment that's less hospitable to those harmful bacteria, giving your body a fighting chance to heal. To use apple cider vinegar for a sore throat, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with a cup of warm water. You can also add a tablespoon of honey to sweeten the mixture. Gargle with this solution for 30 to 60 seconds, then spit it out and rinse your mouth with plain water. You can repeat this process a few times a day until your sore throat subsides. Now, a word of caution. Apple cider vinegar is acidic, so it's important to dilute it properly before gargling. There you have it, folks. 6 natural remedies to soothe a sore throat that you can easily try at home. Remember, these remedies are meant to complement, not replace, any medical advice you may have received. If your sore throat is severe or persists for more than a few days, it's always best to consult with your healthcare provider. To recap, we've covered several natural remedies that can help ease your sore throat and improve your comfort. From the soothing properties of honey and chamomile tea to the antibacterial effects of apple cider vinegar, there's a natural remedy for everyone. If you found these remedies helpful, be sure to check out my other videos on natural health tips and leave a comment with your favorite remedies. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel for more awesome content, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.